Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. So, today I will discuss a topic from unit number 1, that is fundamentals of chemistry, and today our topic is mole. So, in order to understand mole, I will give you few examples from our daily life. Mole is basically a counting unit. सो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में भी बहुत सी काउंटिंग यूनिट्स यूज़ करते हैं सिंप्लीफिकेशन पर्पस के लिए। जैसे कि अगर हमारे पास 12 बनाना है तो हम कहते हैं 1 डोज़न। अगर हमारे पास 24 एग्स हैं तो हम कहते हैं 2 डोज़न एग्स। सो ये जो वर्ड डोज़न है, ये हमारे पास ये भी एक काउंटिंग यूनिट है जो कि हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं। और ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन पर्पस के लिए कि आइटम्स का नंबर 24 है तो हम उसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए 2 डोज़न्स कह देंगे। लाइक वाइज इफ़ वी हैव सिमिलर 144 आइटम्स वी कॉल देम ग्रास। सो these terms are basically used for the simplification purpose. Likewise अगर हमारे पास पेपर्स का एक बंडल है, ठीक है, तो हम उसके लिए वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं रिम। सो रिम इज़ यूज्ड टू काउंट द पेपर्स. So likewise in chemistry, mole is a counting unit. So first of all I would like to define mole, that atomic masses of atoms, molecular masses of molecules, or formula masses of formula units when expressed in grams is called mole. So ये जो टर्म्स हैं एटॉमिक मास, मॉलिक्यूलर मास और फार्मूला मास, इन सब से आप फेमिलियर हैं, आपने इनको कैलकुलेट भी किया है। और इन सब के साथ जब आप एटॉमिक मास, मॉलिक्यूलर मास या फार्मूला मास को कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो इनके साथ आप यूनिट लगाते हैं AMU। जब आप इनको AMU के बजाय ग्राम के साथ एक्सप्रेस करेंगे तो डैट विल बी एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू 1 मोल। सो मोल इज़ यूज टू एक्सप्रेस द क्वांटिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस, यानी कि जो मोल है वो किसी भी चीज़ की मिकदार को बयान करता है। सो ये किसकी यूनिट है? मोल क्वांटिटी की यूनिट है। सो here I have expressed some mole calculations for more understanding. For example, if atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU, and if this 12 AMU is replaced with 12 grams, it will be exactly equal to 1 mole of carbon. Likewise, molecular mass of water is 18 AMU, and if 18 AMU is replaced with grams, it will be exactly equal to 1 mole of water. And then the third example is formula mass of NaCl is 58.5 grams, and it will be equal to 1 mole of NaCl. So here 58.5, which is the formula mass of NaCl, its unit AMU is replaced with grams, hence it will be equal to 1 mole. So how to calculate the moles? And to calculate the mole, here is the formula, and the formula is mole is equal to weight in grams divided by molecular weight. So if you will divide weight in grams with molecular weight, you will get number of moles of atoms, molecules or formula units. So how we will calculate the number of moles? To understand this, यहाँ पे मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल दी है, और एग्जाम्पल क्या है? हाउ मेनी मोल्स आर देयर इन 60 ग्राम्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। यानी अगर हमारे पास कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के 60 ग्राम्स मौजूद हैं तो उसमें नंबर ऑफ़ मोल्स कितने होंगे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के। सो इसको समझने के लिए जो फार्मूला हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में डिस्कस किया, उसी फार्मूला को हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं। एंड मोल इज़ इक्वल टू वेट इन ग्राम्स डिवाइडेड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट। सो वेट इन ग्राम इज़ बेसिकली द गिवन weight which is given in the example, and or which is given in the statement of the question, and this is equal to basically 60 grams. Then molecular weight, we need to calculate the molecular weight of carbon dioxide. You know very well that atomic weight of carbon is 12 and that of oxygen is 16, and 16 should be multiplied with 2 as there are 2 atoms of carbon dioxide, so the molecular weight of carbon dioxide comes out 44. So number of moles of carbon dioxide in this question will be equal to 60 divided by 44. 60, which is again the weight in grams, which is given in the statement of the question, and it is divided by the molecular weight, which is 44 grams, and the answer comes out 1.63 moles. So there will be 1.63 moles of carbon dioxide in 60 grams of carbon dioxide. So the next topic is Avogadro's number, which is basically related with the mole, and that's why I am going to discuss Avogadro's number in the same video. Avogadro's number is basically experimentally calculated by an Italian scientist, Amedeo Avogadro's. That's why its name is Avogadro's number, and it is defined as the number of particles. So these particles may be atoms, molecules or ions in 1 mole of a substance. यानी 1 mole of substance के अंदर जो atoms होंगे या ions होंगे या molecules होंगे, that is basically equal to Avogadro's number, and numerically it is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. As earlier I have mentioned that this number is calculated experimentally, and mole is basically a very large counting unit. जैसे कि मैंने पिछली स्लाइड्स में बताया कि मोल एक काउंटिंग यूनिट है, वो क्वांटिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस को एक्सप्रेस करती है और क्वांटिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस की यूनिट है, लेकिन वो एक लार्ज काउंटिंग यूनिट है. As 1 mole will contain 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, molecules or ions of a substance. So how Avogadro's number is related to mole? You can see in this slide the relationship between mole and Avogadro's number. So here you can see if we have 1 mole of hydrogen, it means that its atomic weight is 1.008 grams, and this 1 mole of hydrogen will contain 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. As hydrogen is an atom, so we will call 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Then next, 1 mole of carbon dioxide is definitely equal to 44 grams of carbon dioxide, as the molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44 AMU, and when it is replaced with grams it will be exactly equal to 1 mole, and it will contain 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. As carbon dioxide is a molecule, so we will call here molecule 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Likewise, if we have 1 mole of NaCl, it will contain 58.5 grams. 58.5 grams is the formula weight of NaCl, as NaCl is a formula unit, and I think you people are familiar with the difference between atom, molecule, formula unit, formula weight. We have already discussed all these topics. So 1 mole of NaCl is equal to 58.5 grams, and it will exactly contain 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 formula units. So from these examples, it must be clear that whenever a substance is 1 mole, it will be exactly equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, ions, molecules or formula units. Thank you.